Hello friends, today we see control system. In control system unit first is control system modeling. In control system modeling, in last lecture we see the signal flow graph, and signal flow graph, in signal flow graph we see the Moissan's gain formula. Moissan's gain formula to calculating the transfer function of the system. In signal flow graph we use Moissan's gain formula. Here today we see the problem related to signal flow graph. Here it is an example. In that your input is R of S and output is C of S. And summing point here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 summing point is used and to take off point. In that first all the summing points, naming the all summing point and take off point. The first process in signal flow graph is all summing point are named together and take off point. Then the diagram become here. Here it is a first summing point S1, then second summing point S2, then G1. Okay. Here it is a R of S. Okay. 1 and first summing point S1, then second summing point is S2. Here it is a S2, then G1, and then third summing point is S3. Means this summing point is named S1, then second summing point name is S2, then third summing point is named S3. Then there is a G2. Okay, and after G2 there is a takeoff point. Takeoff point, and this takeoff point is noted as T1. Okay, and then G3. Then this summing point is noted as S4. And then takeoff point T2. And then C of S. That means each summing point is named as S1, S2, S3 and S4. And takeoff point T1 and T2. And then takeoff point T1 and T2. Here two takeoff point and the naming of T1 and T2. In that the first summing point and the loop is here first summing point, and this is the after here T2. Here it is a minus, means 1. Here positive and negative. Then second summing point is positive, negative, and this is H1 after G2. This takeoff point. This is H1, and here it is a minus. Minus sign is minus H1, and then this is third takeoff point. Second takeoff point is before a G2. This is takeoff point, and this takeoff point is given to the fourth summing point, and this is G4. Okay, and this is T1, then T2 and T3. Means T1 is T1, T2 and T3. Then finding all forward path. Forward path, there is a first forward path is G1, G2 and G3. This is nothing but the first forward path. G1, G2 and G3. This is a straight forward path. Means first forward path is path 1. Path 1, that is a F1 is G1, G2 and G3. This is nothing but the first forward path. G1, G2 and G3. This is a first forward path. Then second forward path is this G1 and G4. This is G1 and G4. This is second forward path. Means 1, G1 and here G4. This is second forward path. Path second is F2. F2 is equals to G1 and G4. In this diagram we are getting two forward path, F1 and F2. Then second step is finding all individual loop. There is a two forward path, F1 and F2. Then second step is number of individual loop. In the diagram, number of individual loops. Individual loop means single loop. In that loop first is G1, G2 and H1. Here it is a first loop. First loop is G1, G2 and H1. And here it is a sign minus. Means loop first is denoted by L11. L11 is here first summing point. Here S2, S3, G1. This take off point T1. And here it is a G2 and this is minus H1. This is nothing but the loop first. Means G1, G2 and H1 and here side is minus, means minus H1. Then there is a first loop L11. L11 is minus G1, G2 and H1. This is loop first. Then we finding the loop second. Loop second is L21. Loop second L21 is equals to. Here it is a loop second. The loop second is G1, G2, G3 and minus G1, G2 and G3. Here it is the first summing point, then second summing point and third summing point. S1, S2, S1, S2, S3 and S4. And in that S1 to S2, here it is F1. Then S2 to S3 is G1, and then here it is a takeoff point. Here it is a takeoff point T1 and then G2, then takeoff point T2 and then T2 to G3. Okay, and this is S4 and then this takeoff point T3 and this is given to -1. Here it is a negative sign, means here negative sign and here positive sign. This is nothing but the loop second, L21. L21 is, here it is minus, means -1. This is the loop second. Loop second is L21, means S1, S2, S3 and S4. Then take off and this feedback is given. This is minus sign means -1. And here 1, G1, G2, G3 and -1. That means the L21 is here we write L21 is equals to G1, G2, G3 and -1 means minus G1, G2, G3. This is nothing but the L21. Then we see loop third. G2 and G3 minus H2. This is nothing but the loop third. Loop third is minus G1, G2 and G3. This is nothing but the loop third. Here loop third, we see the diagram for loop third. Here it is a first summing point, then second summing point, then takeoff point, then takeoff point, and then summing point. And then here C of S. And here it is an R of S. This is S1, S2, S1, S2. In that 1, 1, then G1, then after G1 this summing point, S3, then takeoff point, T1, then G2, then takeoff point, T2, then G3, and then summing point, S4, and then takeoff point, T3, and then C of S. Here it is a 1. This is a forward path and the loop is at this summing point S1 to this takeoff point. And this is nothing but the -1. Means this is a loop third, L31. Means L31 is 1 into 1 into G1 multiplied by G2 multiplied by G3 multiplied by -1. Means L31 is equals to minus G1, G2, G3. This is a loop third, L31 minus G1, G2 and G3. Then we see loop 4. Loop 4 is L4 1. L4 1. This is loop 4. Loop 4 is L4 1. In L4 1 here it is a G4. Means this summing point. Then G2. Then take off point. Then G3. Then summing point and this. This is minus H2. This is summing point. Here summing point is S3. And then G2, G3 and S4. And here it is a G4. That means this is loop 4. And loop 4 is minus G4 H2. Means G4 multiplied by minus H2. Means L41 loop 4 is minus G4 H2. This is nothing but the loop 4. Here it is a summing point and this loop is start at G4 to here it is a summing point and this summing point at here it is a 1. Okay, and then loop 4 is G4 H2. Means here it is a S4 and S4 after S4 the takeoff point is present S4 and this is 1 and this loop is here minus H2. This is the loop 4. Okay, then we see the loop 5. Loop 5 is L51. The L51. Here loop L51. This is a big loop. In that loop, G1 and G4 is present. G1 and G4 is present in the here it is a first summing point, second summing point, third summing point and fourth summing point. And the G4 is the here it is a takeoff point and this takeoff point here it is a G4. Okay, and here it is a S1, S2 and here it is a G1. Okay, here 1, R of S and C of S. Here it is a 1 and this is 1. Means the loop is we see the loop become loop is start at S1, S2, S3 at G4 and here it is a minus 1. That means the loop is G1, G4 multiplied by minus 1. L51 is equals to minus G1 and G4. This is the loop 5. Okay. In that diagram, we see the loop. Total loops are 5. L11, L21, L31, L41 and L51. Total 5 loops are present. Then we see the 2 non-touching loops. Non-touching loops. In the diagram, see 2 non-touching loops. But there is no node is common between the 2 loops. There are separate loops. No common node. Means there is no non-touching loops. No non-touching loop. This loop is separate. Then 3 non-touching loops. Then we see calculating system determinant del. Del means 1 minus sum of all individual loop. The individual loop means L11, L21, L31 and L41, L51. And here it is 0 means no 2 non-touching loops and 3 non-touching loops. And putting the value L11 means here L11 the value become L11 is, then the del become del is equals to 1 plus G1, G2, H1. This is the loop first. Then loop second is G2, G3 and H2. Then G1, G2, G3 minus G1, G2, G3. And loop 4 is G4, H2. And loop 5 is G1, G4. Means calculating the value of del. Then next step is calculating the del 1. Means the number of loop that touch to first forward path and the number of loop that touch to second forward path. Means del 1 and del 2. But if in first forward path there is a 1 and del 2 become 1, means there is a single forward path that touch to first forward path and second forward path. Means value of del 1 and del 2 become 1. Means touching all loops that touch to first forward path. The first forward path is G1, G2 and G3 that touch to one loop, and second forward path is G1, G2 and G4. Then we see next step to calculating the transfer function. The transfer function formula for transfer function is F1 del 1 means first forward path and del 1 means first forward path that touch to loop. F2 del 2 upon del. Here it is a del 1 and del 2 are value of del 1 and del 2 is 1 and first forward path is G1, G2, G3 and G3. G1, G2, G3. This first forward path and second forward path is G1, G4 plus G1 and G4. This is nothing but the second forward path. First forward path is G1, G2, G3 and second forward path is G1 and G4. Then putting the value of overall transfer function of the system is first forward path is G1, G2 and G3 and second forward path is F2. Here value of del 1 and del 2 is 1. Putting this value in equation. Then first forward path and then second forward path. Second forward path is G1, G4. Then putting the value of system determinant del. The value of del is 1 plus G1, G2, H1. This is loop L11, loop first, loop second, loop third, loop 4 and loop 5. This is overall transfer function of the system by using Masson's gain formula. Okay, this is a total transfer function.